today?
Today we're making my favorite kind of pasta.
All right, so let's get started. Hi, little chef. What is on our grocery list today?
We have 1.5 cup tomato paste, 2 medium-sized onion, 2 red peppers, 2 green peppers, 1 teaspoon powdered pepper, 5 carrots, spring onions, 4 cups of pasta, 1 pound beef, salt to taste, season to taste.
Thank you. Let's get started.
Okay.
Little chef, we are going to start by boiling our pasta. So let's turn the stove on, add some water, and little chef is going to add a half stick of butter. Okay. We're going to add a little bit more water and let it boil. We're going to add some salt to taste. All right, so we've added our water to it. I just sprinkled a little bit of all-purpose seasoning on the pasta, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil. I'm going to check on it occasionally to make sure it's not overcooked. In this bowl, we are going to start our stew for our pasta. We are going to add a little bit of olive oil. All right, so this is the olive oil I'm using. So in case you want to know that, we are just going to add our diced onion. That was the 2 medium-sized onion to the oil, and just allow it to simmer. All right, so now this is how our onions look like. You can see that a couple of them are brown. We are not going to wait for it to be golden brown. I'm just going to add the meat for it to also cook. So at this time, we added about half a teaspoon of blended ginger and garlic. We are going to add the rest of our seasoning to it to season the meat. We are still waiting for it to cook, so we just have to let it cook on a low heat for about 10 minutes. We'll check back on it at about 10 minutes and we'll show you how it looks like. So after 10 to about 15 minutes, this is how your beef should be looking at. The next step is I'm going to add our tomato paste and our powdered pepper. So at this time we added our tomatoes. We are going to stir and make sure that everything is mixed together. Little chef is going to add in the pepper. So little chef, add the pepper to it.
Okay.
All right. Going to just stir it and make sure everything is well incorporated, and we are going to move on to the next step.
We are gonna put the carrots, green peppers, and red peppers. So little chef is going to put it inside so it looks good for my pasta.
Right, so this is the end of our stew for our pasta, and I am just going to divide the stew into 2 equal parts, and I'm going to use half of that for 4 cups of my pasta. So I'm just going to dish some into a different bowl, and I'm going to add the pasta, which is the last stage of our cooking.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.
So guys, this is the end. We're just going to add the pasta to it.
I can't wait to eat.
Alright guys, so here is the end of our pasta dish. As you can see, it looks delicious, and Erin cannot wait to eat it. Oh man. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like our video, remember to subscribe, and we'll see you next time in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.